How to create a wedding website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a specific website related only to wedding events, maybe wedding, let's say here, spaces or renting spaces or something like that. Or also you can go ahead and have it for creating souvenirs. So it is going to be very easy and very simple. We are going to head over to squarespace.com. Then we're going to sign in for an account and we are going to click on the account, on the favicon of the account, just like that, and select account dashboard. After that, you're going to see all the websites that you have created in here on the dashboard account. So, a little disclaimer, guys, everything created in this video, such as email addresses, Google accounts, and etc., are created only for the sake of the video and not for any personal uses. So, if you are going to be familiar with Squarespace, it is going to be the account dashboard that you're going to see first in here. And if you're not going to be familiar, it is going to be crucial to have this page right there. So I'm going to click on get started and we are going to have here the steps from the beginning. So as you can see here, we are going to have maybe from the beginning the get started at if you have created some or you haven't created at all a website, you're going to type in this field the type of the website or the topic of the website that you're going to put. Here, based on the topic or the type of the website that you are going to put in here or fill in, you're going to get here the templates that are going to suit your needs or the topic that you have put, and also all the elements that are needed into a website. So we are going to have here the topic. Maybe we are going to have wedding. So we're going to type in wedding since it is going to be the first here suggestion that we have made. So here, as you can see, we have a weddings or weddings website. You can have here some suggestions that are not going to be suiting the topic, but it is okay. So we are going to click on weddings. And from here, you're going to click on next. Of course, you can go ahead and skip all the parts or the steps in here, but I highly recommend for you that you're going to fill them all because at the end, you're going to need the help of the details that you're going to put in here. So now, the second step is going to be here implementing or adding what do we need with the website that we have. So what are we going to do with it? So basically, if you're going to be interested in one of the, as you can see here, 14 services or cases, go ahead and take the most needed of them. For example, you can go ahead and promote a physical business if you're going to run a business. You can promote an event or a project. Maybe you're going to have here a wedding website for organizing events or wedding events. We can go ahead and promote that and take it. Sell on demand videos. Maybe you are going to have here videos that are specific for weddings, and then you're going to make them and then you are going to sell them for the specific client that have demanded that. Of course, not everyone. So we're going to take that. Sell memberships. If you're going to create a membership here page or a login page, go ahead and do that, but I'm not going to do it. Basically, build a community. Maybe you're going to build a community, for example, that you're going to have for the fans of photography, I don't know, here or videography. That is going to be an event changer. So your products, maybe you're going to have some cameras, old cameras, or some lenses, or some tools that you're going to have. Maybe it is going to be set up. Get appointments? Yes, of course. We're going to add the get appointments right there because you're going to have here the Equity or the Squarespace Equity scheduling calendar. So you can go ahead and arrange the appointments with it. So publish a blog or other media. Maybe you're going to use it, maybe not. It is going to be dependent on your suitings or your mood. I'm going to add it. Sell online course. I'm not going to sell courses. Showcase work or expertise. Yes, we are going to do a little bit of portfolios. Sell services. Yes, we are going to sell services. Send invoices and collect donation is not going to be the case. Maybe you're going to use it for charity. Who knows? You're going to add it. Offer a contact form. Maybe you're going to offer also a contact form. As you can see, we have ticked all the needed. Now we are going to click on next. We're going to have here two choices. Either you are going to build the website of yours with a browsing on the templates. So you're going to have here a ready or pre-made or preset a website, or let's say theme, that is waiting for you on the library of Squarespace themes or templates. Or you can go ahead and use the Blueprint AI from Squarespace, which is going to be the artificial intelligence for the design in the Squarespace. It is going to be called Blueprint. So it is going to build a custom website guided by Squarespace Blueprint AI. So in here, let's see, I'm going to click on Browse Template. And of course, I can go ahead and click at any time build with AI if I do not like one of the templates. Maybe you're going to tell or ask, why didn't I use the build with AI? Why do I have to choose, or do I have chosen the templates? So basically, the Blueprint AI is not going to be that advanced to create here like the pre-made templates like these. So as you can see, we have tons of, not tons, but a lot of pages integrated into the website that we have in the template in that. But in the meanwhile, if you are going to build it with AI, it is going to be a question of a prompt. So the more prompt that you're going to have the choice with, and also the details that you can go ahead and control, the more that you're going to make your website flexible, and that you are going to get the website ready. So let's see here. If we do not find a specific here template, we can go ahead and head over the build with AI. So as you can see here, we have the names of the templates. You can go ahead and see that all of them are going to be related to the weddings. As you can see here, the type of them are going to be in here. The topic is going to be weddings. So you can see here that we have those. These are going to be much likely for the topic of today, which is going to be the wedding. You can go ahead and use this or that or whatever you want from here, and it is going to be, as you can see, this is going to be a website or a wedding website that has or which is going to be here sophisticated for two individuals, the bride and also the husband. So you can go ahead and have your own website or your marriage or wedding website like that. You can go ahead and have your the wife story, the husband story, the relationship. As you can see, this is an idea. You can have, for example, the ceremony, or the inviting dates here and there. So it is going to be very simple and very easy to manipulate that or use one of the templates. See here if we're going to find a good build with the AI. We're going to click on it and see. So basically, depending on the website or the type of the wedding website that you are going to have, for example, if you're going to create events, you can go ahead and take all the elements that we have ticked before. So you can go ahead and have your advantage to make profits with the website, sell some elements, have some services provided, etc. But if you're going to make it as a memorial website, you're going to have it as a normal memorial wedding. So that means that you're going to create the website based on the content of you and the bride, for example, or for the client wedding. So you're going to have the couple had or a photo of them together with a wedding dress maybe or something like that. You're going to have them just like this and etc. Now aside from that, we can have here the as you can see, the different steps that you're going to make through to finish the AI build. So choose a site title and brand personality. For example, we're going to put here Jack. Maybe we're going to have the standard website of the wedding, Jack and Jeannie, or let's say here uh, Jack and Amelia. I don't know here, Amelia. We are going to put it like that. Brand personality, for example, we are going to make it here playful, for example. is going to be something that you're going to have. Here we have the steps. We have one, two, three, four, 5 steps. We're going to click on next, and it is going to load up the AI generated content. So you're going to choose whatever you're going to build on the home page. We're going to have an intro section, a product section, no, service section, no. So if you're going to avoid the servicing, go ahead and avoid that. So you can have, for example, a footer. I am going to have here the next. As you can see, you can go ahead and change the layout, for example, of any of the sections in here. So we're going to wait. As you can see, you can have multiple layouts you can change or choose from them just like that. Then you're going to click on next. You're going to see the pages or the what pages that you are going to add to your website. Basically, you are going to choose, for example, one, two, or here the limit is going to be 6 pages. You're going to have them based on the choices that you've got from the beginning. If you have here chosen the number of the pages, right, you can go ahead and have them in here. So we are going to click on next. Now, as you can see, we are going to have the color palettes. You can go ahead and choose a color palette. Then you can go use one of the specific, as you can see, tones in here. So the playful ones, we have the professional. I'm going to use this. Maybe it is better, or this is better. Click on next, and then you are going to be on the final part, which is going to be the type of the font. So you can go ahead and use whatever font that you want, and it is going to be showing up normally in no time in here. So the preview is not set up correctly, so nothing is changing, but is okay. We are going to click on finish, and we're going to see the website loading in just a few seconds. We're going to wait for it until the blueprint is going to finish up the work in here. You can see that the website that we have chosen or we have created that has only one page has been created. As you can see, it is going to be simple. The images are not going to be, I don't know why, here related to the images or the wedding, but it is okay. So I think that you've got the idea why I didn't go from the beginning with the AI. So in here, this doesn't stop you from letting the website like that and also modifying it. So you can go ahead and have everything. So it is going to be considered an empty website. So you can go ahead and have the brand in here, the logo, and also you can modify wherever you want from the sections. Add sections, add blocks, modify the blocks like text, the images, also background image, modify it as much as you want, and etc. So this is going to be something that is going to have here the necessary time to build up. So in my case, if I would go back into the AI, I can go ahead and head over, create a website, and we're going to choose a website that will go well with the theme, which is going to be creating one with the here, um, let's say the specific weddings. So we're going to head over weddings, and then we're going to choose one of those. So I'm going to click on one of the websites, and then we're going to create one new. So here we have it. Now I'm going to wait for the website to load up, and then I can go ahead and change, as you can see here, the specific buttons or the colors that we are going to have. This is, I think, better. Is a warm color. As you can see, you're going to explore the website as it is, and I can go ahead and add this one or click on start design this one, and at the end, I can go ahead also and make all the photos mine. For example, I can go ahead and have my photos or the client photos that has been implemented. All I need to do is to add as many blocks or image galleries that I need into the website from the predefined sections, and then I can go ahead and upload only the images. This is how simple it is to set up the steps in here. So this is the website. I'm going to show you how you can manipulate the website. You're going to click on edit. This is only a one-page website. We have the RSVP or the reservation, as you can see here, form and the login. I do not see here what is the purpose of the login. You can go ahead and remove it. Doesn't matter. Click on edit in here, and then you're going to remove that aside. So we do not need it in any case. So it is going to be loading. It is taking a little bit of time. Doesn't matter a lot. So this is the thing in here. So I think that we are going to delete that because we do not need it. Please go away. So in here, we can go ahead and click on add sections and start adding the sections. We have the blank sections. You can go ahead and add a blank section. Then you're going to personalize it with adding more and more, let's say, specific here images. And we can go ahead and have other details. Now, for the sections, we have some dedicated sections that are going to be loading in a little bit of time, and then we are going to have them just added in here. So we can add different type of sections from here and there. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.